Hi everyone, Dogsy here. You've recently probably heard me talking about my superhuman water on my social media pages, especially Snapchat. Now superhuman water is just something that I've come up with. It's actually alkaline water which I've been testing and drinking myself for the last 5 or so months. Now I'm going to tell you more about this later. But today I just wanted to quickly show you an acidity test to test the pH levels of all the different waters that you probably currently drink. Yeah, I wanted to do a quick test of that just because people have been asking me a lot of questions about it. So what I wanted to do was I went and grabbed bottles of water for all the popular ones, and I'm going to test them all. So what I'll do is I'll attach a chart somewhere here on the video, which will a colour chart which shows how acidic each one is and the levels of it. So what I'll do is I'll put some samples of all of this in a glass, test it with the droplets. It'll come out a certain colour which will match the chart. Alright, so I'll just show you the waters I've got. I've got tap water here, which I've got straight out of my tap. Coolridge, Voss, popular one, Mount Franklin, which is obviously probably the most popular drink in Australia, or popular water in Australia anyway. And then I've got the Woolies brand, Woolies Select Spring Water, and I've got Kangen as well, which is the alkalized water. Okay, so I'm going to do this really quickly, just to show you how it is. Okay, so I'm going to put some tap water in there, Coolridge. Now, I'll be totally honest, these I'm not opening for the first time. I opened them about 5 minutes ago. I did the exact same video, but what happened was I went to check my phone afterwards and I didn't have enough storage on my phone, so I did about 10 minutes worth of footage for nothing. So these have already been opened about 10 minutes ago, so yeah, judge me if you will, but I'm just trying to be pretty honest here. Because I've only been learning about this stuff for say 5 months or so as well, so I'm fairly new to it, but I'm here to disprove anything as well, so yeah, we'll see how we go. After this video, if you want to comment down the bottom underneath or anywhere, or send me a message, ask me some questions, I'm happy to try and answer all of them, or send you somewhere where I can answer it. But what I want to do is just do this quick test because you've all been bugging me and you want to see it. So, okay, I'm going to add these drops in, it'll relate to the chart and you can see how we go. Okay, tap water, it'll pretty much change colour straight away. Coolridge, there's Voss, I'm going to skip Mount Franklin, go to Woolies, and Kangen. Okay, I'll tell you why I'm going to skip Mount Franklin, because I'll just show you these quickly. Now if you have a look at the chart here on the page, you'll see how acidic all of these are. Tap water, pretty good. Now they add stuff to your water in the pipelines, so it makes it a little bit more alkaline, but that's about neutral if you have a look on the chart. Coolridge, a little bit under there. Voss, pretty acidic if you ask me. Woolies one is pretty good. Neutral and above, and then there's Kangen, which is straight alkaline. Okay, now I'm going to go back to Mount Franklin because this is the one that actually really surprised me. Check this out. Acidic. Alright. So, some of the properties that are in alkaline water, if you add them to, if you added that to the other waters, you could neutralise them. A lot of bottled water, especially alkaline bottled water, they actually add chemicals to it to make it alkaline. This is an electrolysis process, so it's done electrically, but I'll explain that later. I just wanted to quickly show you how acidic some of the waters that you probably are drinking. I'm guessing you've all had a drink of one of these and tap water at some point, if not every day. So yeah, that's the real kicker there, how acidic that Mount Franklin is. Now if you add the Kangen to some of these, they'll become more alkaline. That blue, that might come back a little bit. That's probably about, so that's adding around about the same amount to each one. Let's do blue a little bit about that. Now, I tried this before, ran out of water. You don't have to add the drops again to make the colour, but I'll just show you. Look, I'll add about the same amount. And it starts and then it goes back. So that's probably double the amount of water. Now, so finally it starts to come back. Look, it's still going back again. So that just shows you how acidic it is and how much alkalized water it takes to start to neutralise it, try and get it back to neutral, and it's still hunting back to that colour. Anyway, so that really surprised me. Anyway, that's just the test. Like I said, comment down below, hit me up with some questions, I'll try and answer them, and I'll tell you a lot more about the water afterwards. Cool, thanks guys.